Hey everyone! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Motorcycle Back Seat Bags Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
Moto-centric motorcycle back seat bag features waterproof construction and durable materials for all-weather riding. Large capacity fits a full helmet and gear. Multifunctional design works as tailbag or backpack. Secure mounting straps, reflective details, and smooth zippers make it ideal for commuting and touring.
Number 3.
Specifications: high concern chemical, none, item weight, 1040G, item height, 21 cm, item width, 34 cm, item length, 43 cm, brand name, Racing.
Number 2.
Features: double zipper easy to pick UPTEMS, multi-purpose bag, for various purposes such as keep full helmet, gloves, phone, clothing, and so on. Highly reflective strips are installed on both sides to enhance the safety of night and haze travel. Volume cannot be pressed, resistant to falling, wear resistant, tear resistant.
Number 1.
Moto-centric waterproof motorcycle tailbag offers 37L large capacity for helmet, gear, and daily essentials. Durable materials resist rain and wear. Multifunctional design works as rear seat bag or backpack, ideal for touring, commuting, and long rides with secure straps and easy access zipper system.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.